Okay, let's go.
Mawa boss. Dada na mawa. Pat mo F1 guys. Masyadong masikip doon. C0. Ha? Ano? Matamis po ba ito? Okay. Making some preparation. Yo, Pico Pot. Uy! Maghanap. Ito na ba?
Sila eh, walang group sila. So sila yung maglalaban-laban.
Yo, nakita natin si Kuya Christian Peach at si Kuya King of Peach. And na-compliment na ni Kuya Christian Peach na ang ganda na ano ko daw. And would be more happy. Let's go. Going back. Tara.
What's your name, Kuya? Andre. So si Ner at saka si Andre.
Dito po naman lang and we'll see you again next time. Ingat palagi and God bless.
Ang ganda ng gameplay mo Kuya. Sayang. Pero
All been waiting for. It's about time that we...
ito. Dala ko. Uy. Haba niya. Yo. Jeez. Oh God, that's the future.